Hello, friends. How are you? I hope you all are fine. I have not come up any new video on YouTube for a long time. Today, I am coming up with a very interesting tool that you can see on the screen. This is called chat.openai.com, and this tool is popularly called Chat GPT. You can search on internet also, and this thing is very much popular these days. This thing is more of a search engine. It's more than search engine. It's a kind of robot, chat robot, which will give you the exact reply. Generally, what happened? Uh, for a long period of time, we had this search engines like Google, then Yahoo, then Bing. There are so many search engines like Yandex also. But in case of this, what happen? You can directly put your question and you will get the exact answer of that. And you can give some parameters also. Like in case of this search engines, what you do, you put these keywords, then it lists a number of websites relating to that keyword. What you do, you click on these links and you go through those websites and you learn through that topic. But in case of this chat.gpt, what happen, whenever you put a question, it will directly give you the answer. Thing is that it's first of all, it's killing your creativity. If you are going to develop some kind of knowledge in a particular new domain, then better you abstain from this. But if you want a quick result for a particular topic, then you can use this tool. And interestingly, this tool is banned in most of the countries, like for students. uh, why this was banned, I am showing you some example. Then when you will go through this, then only you will understand. For entering into this service, first you have to do, you have to open your web browser, then you have to type in chat.openai.com. Sometimes now it's loaded. Luckily my computer was a bit, internet was a bit slow. Now, for the sake of this demonstration, I just prepared two or three questions. Like as you can see, what is a disaster? How many type of disaster? Explain in 500 words. This is a typical assignment type questions that generally given to students. And if if a particular student requested model is not compatible with the, please contact us through our helpline. Let's clear, I'm clearing this chat. Again I am loading. Let's try with again. Sometimes it shows a number of errors. What happens when you put this type of question in the chat gpt, it goes through a number of searches in the backend. You cannot see that, and based on your input, what it does, it prepares your answer. And in some cases, uh, this can be good for you, but for students who are learning a new topic, for them I think this will not be, this tool can kill their creativity. Like in case of this question that I have entered in 500 words, it preparing this answer. Like what is a disaster? A disaster is a catastrophic event. um, for this answer to be prepared, what you will be doing, suppose you don't have this tool, you would go through a number of websites. You are, obviously you are bound to read a number of content from number of websites, then you are going to prepare this answer. But in case of this tool, it is preparing a ready-made answer for you. So not only this, I have just tried with another set of questions. Like if you are preparing some kind of joining letter or some kind of drafting and all, you can directly put that in the text box here, and you will get the result. So I think this much enough. I am You can stop generating also. And thing is that every time what you are getting, the result will be every time this is same, this is different. And the result that you are getting, the result may not be same with other users. I have tried with the same question. Second time when I entered, I got a different result. Now let's try with the another example. Like as you can see on the screen, this was the question that I want to ask to this robot. Like, prepare a joining letter. An error occurred. Sometimes it shows error. Then what you can do, you can generate a new instance. As since the tool is new, number of users are using this, so frequently you get this type of error. Luckily it's loaded again. Let's enter the question. Like, prepare a joining letter addressing the CEO XYZ company to join in the position of manager on 18th of January 2023. You want to draft a joining letter as you are joining in a particular company. What it is going to do, it will be searching a number of websites. Probably somewhere it will find this type of content. What it will be doing, the tool is going to place this type of parameters like CEO XYZ company, and at the same time like 18th of January, this is a parameter, and at the same time position of manager. These are the parameters that you are passing through your conversation. It will extract these parameters from your question, and it will be putting your answer to that. Let's try with some other browser. Probably it's gonna busy. Most of the time I have encountered this problem, and it happens. Probably number of users are using this so many times, it's gonna unavailable. Try Chat GPT. I'm trying this time again. Oh, it was loaded. Now let's type the question here again. Just try whether it can fetch my prepare. See, in this instance you can see, dear CEO, I am writing to express my interest in joining XYZ company as the manager starting on 18th of January. As you can see in the question, it was we passed through this parameter 18th of January, the date is pasted here, and at the same time CEO, see, addressing CEO, it directly um, addressed CEO. And what are the other parameters? See, position as a manager, somewhere it should put manager, that you are see here you can see, I am writing to express my interest in joining XYZ company as the manager starting on 18 January. The draft may not be suitable for you, but the thing is that it will give you a lump sum idea of that draft. Thing is that this gonna kill your drafting skills. If you are very new in drafting, then you should abstain from this. But if you are a pro, if you don't want to waste time, you have already experienced, and you don't want to do this repetitive task, and you want to do some kind of innovation in your pattern, changes in your work, then obviously you can go with this. But this tool will not be beneficial for students. The students uh, who would be reading their books, if the particular topic is not available in their book, what he will be doing? he will be searching on Google. At least Google is also easier. In Google, what he has to do, he or she has to go through a number of websites, he has to read the content, then only he will prepare the answer. But in this case, what, he is not doing anything. He is just putting the question, like as you can see, I have shown in the previous example, like digester, in case of how many type of digester and all. In such type of question, it's going to kill their creativity. So this is for today, friends. I have in this tool I have just skipped two or three part for the sake of saving time for this video. When first time you will be accessing this tool, it will ask you to sign up. You can use your Gmail account to sign up, then you are good to go. You can use this tool. I hope, friends, you are happy with this video, and if you like this content, do like, share and subscribe. It will encourage me to come up with some other videos. Thanks a lot, friends. See you soon.